Okay, so to calibrate your Ender 3 3D printer's print bed, you're going to want to obviously turn on your 3D printer. Press down the button, go to motion. You're going to want to auto home it first. It will auto home itself. Now you're going to want to go to moving axis, go to move X, go down to move 1, and move it over 3 clicks until it has 0, 0. Go back up to moving axis, go to the Y, you're going to want to move it 10 millimeters and move it 1 click. Right. And this is in the first position right here, as you can see. You're going to want to take a sheet of notebook paper and slide it in under the nozzle. And then, while you're doing this, while moving this paper back and forth like this, mine is already calibrated, so it already grabs. But you will turn this nozzle if your paper will not move in between it. You're going to turn it counterclockwise to tighten it, or to loosen it. It'll tighten the spring right there, but it pulls this bed down. To loosen it, you'll move it clockwise until finally, whenever you're moving your paper, it grabs the paper. Alright, now we're already on our Y is moving at 10 at a time, so we want it to be at 200, so we're going to turn this till it says 200. Now we do the same here at this position. It's like this one is too high, so we're going to turn this knob to the counterclockwise direction, slide it under. I turned it too much, so go back this way. Still not enough. Too much. Just right. Now, we're going to re-press this button, go back to move X, and now we're going to move X at 10 until we have it at 200 on this side also. Click the wrong one. Move it back and forth, it's not grabbing. Reach under, turn the knob clockwise. Still not grabbing. Turn the knob. It's grabbing. Well, never mind. No, it is not. It is now. So now we're going to go back to the Y. Move it at 10 again. We're going to turn it back this time to bring it forward. I normally stop at 20 because my paper clip will get in the way otherwise. So we grab it, does not grab, move the knob, too much. And now, once you're done with that, go back to the axis, go back to motion, and auto home, and your 3D printer is ready to print.